everyone, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to start a boilerplate um, in coding. So first you need to go to your desktop. After you go to your desktop, you right click and you press new and you go on folder and you name it. So I'm going to name it tutorial. No, I'm not naming it tutorial. I'm gonna name it. You can name it anyone you like, but I'm gonna name it Whitey. After you have gotten your styles, mine is Whitey, and then you go all the way to Visual Studio Code. After you have opened Visual Studio Code, you press File. After File, you press Open. I'm gonna wait for you to do that, or you can rewind if you don't get it. So after that, you go to desktop and you see Whitey and you do select folder, and voila, this is your stuff. And for me, I'll just close this if you have a guide. So after that you go here. I'm gonna name it Whitey.h2m. So after that, this is the one and only star, the star of the show you're all waiting for, and this is quite very easy. So let me start. So first you need to write HTML. You can see it already, but I'm gonna because most. After I've gotten HTML, you change the title to anyone you like. So I name my own Darby. And then you could do anything you love, make a p tag and anything like. Everyone. And look, as you want to check it, I will do that I will show you how to check your stuff. So in the next episode, see ya. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button. Peace out.